First, we have to separate the stock from the gun. To do this, you have to unwind two screws attached to the trigger guard. After taking out those screws, gently press the gun by cylinder and separate the stock. To take out the hammer spring, you have to unwind the screw right beside the trigger. Before you do that, use your thumb to tightly press the stopper that is holding the hammer spring. Okay, when you loosen that screw, the stopper will come out and you can just gently pull out the hammer spring. So this is the hammer spring that comes with the stock. To increase the power, we are replacing this spring with a new one which has stronger tension. Okay, you can just see the power difference between these springs by just seeing them side by side. Now let's put back everything just like how we took them out. Now while we tighten the screw that hold the stopper, you have to press the stopper inside using your thumb. If you can't do it with one hand, you should take help from somebody. Make sure that the stopper is pressed, then tighten the screw. Let's see how the new hammer spring has changed the power by shooting at this coconut. Usually PX100 at 850 FPS will be able to penetrate only one side of this coconut. This coconut is completely penetrated. This is the exit hole which is exploded pretty well, and this is the entrance hole which is pretty small compared to the exit hole. Okay, though there is a definite power increase after the hammer spring change. So the power has now increased from 850 FPS to around 940 FPS. Again, the power can be further increased by doing some other adjustments. If you would like to know about how to increase the power of PX100 further, please comment below.